प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल। प्लांट सेल लार्जर साइज और एनिमल सेल स्मॉलर। प्लांट सेल में सेल वॉल और ट्रैप प्रेजेंट, इसमें एब्सेंट। प्लास्टिड प्रेजेंट, इसमें एब्सेंट। सेंट्रोसोम एब्सेंट, उसमें प्रेजेंट। क्लोवेक्यूल पर लार्ज इन साइज, इसमें स्मॉलर इन साइज। सेल बिकम turgid because of endosmosis. Process of inhibition involve both diffusion and capillary action. Cell increase in volume when it is placed in hypotonic solution. When fresh egg placed in salt water, it floats. Chromosome thread-like structure found in the nucleus. Chromatin material. It becomes visible during the cell division. Each chromosome made up of two chromatids joined together. Point centromere and bead-like structure on a chromosome is called gene. Gene made up of DNA. Deoxyribose, which is carrier of genetic information from the generation to generation. In some virus, RNA is genetic material called retrovirus. Prokaryotic make only one chromosome like bacteria and virus. Chromosomes are made up of DNA or protein. Chromosome named by Baldear 8088 self-replication. Transmit coded information from one generation to another. Eukaryotic cell possesses many chromosomes. A particular kind of species have definite number of chromosomes. Pair known as diploid. Set unpaired chromosome haploid. Gamete have haploid set of chromosome. पिजन के पास 80, डॉग के पास 78, ह्यूमन के पास 46, कैट के पास 38, पी के पास 14, वीट 42, फ्रॉग 26, हाउस फ्लाई 12, मॉस्किटो 6। न्यूक्लिक एसिड इज कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इन सेल contain special genetic instruction is coded from. Nucleic acid is two kind, deoxyribose nucleic और DNA और RNA. DNA Frederick Mischner was first who isolated DNA from the nucleus of push cell. DNA macromolecule. Large number of nucleotides are present. Chemically, nucleotide has three components: nitrogen base, deoxyribose, sugar, phosphate group. Two type, purine or pyrimidine. Purine contains two type of nitrogen base, adenine or guanine. Pyrimidine, thiamine or cytosine. Four kind of nucleotide present in DNA. Watson and Crick. DNA molecule consists two polynucleotide strand double helix. Each strand has a backbone of sugar and phosphate. Nitrogen base attached to the sugar. Nitrogen base nucleoside. Sugar or nitrogen base or phosphate nucleotide. Nitrogen base have two strand double helix. Adenine, thiamine, guanine or cytosine. Adenine, thiamine each other where the cytosine complementary to guanine. Bonding between nitrogenous base hold two strand growth. Number of hydrogen bond between guanine or cytosine 3 or adenine or thiamine double hydrogen bond. Hydrophilic nature of DNA is due to presence of phosphate bond. Function contains genetic information in coded form. Responsible controlling hereditary character. DNA synthesis RNA. DNA mainly found in nucleus. A small amount it is also found in mitochondria or chloroplast. Phosphorus is essential constituent of nucleic acid. Subunit DNA is nucleotide. Gene heredity unit which made by a special segment of DNA found in chromosome. Any change in base sequence within gene is called mutation. Ribonucleic acid, a single-stranded nucleic acid made up of phosphate. Ribosome, ribose sugar, nitrogen base uracil, adenine, guanine, cytosine. It is found in nucleus as well as cytoplasm. RNA molecule which act as enzyme are known as riboenzyme. mRNA, messenger RNA, bring message from DNA found in nucleus into cytoplasm in coded form. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA, site of protein synthesis present in ribosome. Transfer RNA, transfer RNA, tRNA, a carrier of amino acid, and transfer it to the ribosome. Function: synthesis of protein. Copying: process of copying genetic information from one process strand of DNA to mRNA is called transcription. RNA और DNA के बीच में डिफरेंस: DNA शुगर डीऑक्सीराइबोज और इसमें RNA में राइबोज कंटेन बेस एडेनाइन थायामीन साइटोसिन गुआनाइन, और इसमें यूरासिल थायामीन की जगह पे डबल स्ट्रैंडेड, ये सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड मेनली फाउंड इन न्यूक्लियस, ये बोथ न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म दोनों में रहते। सेल साइकिल: sequence event in which cell duplicate its genetical material, synthesis other constituent of cell, ultimately divided into two daughter cell. Cell division: a process in which cell increase in their number is called cell division. It needed a growth, development and repair of the body. Mainly two kind of cell division: mitosis, somatic cell division occur in somatic cell. Unicellular organism, asexual reproduction takes place by this cell division. Significance: divided into two daughter cells. Uncontrolled mitosis causes the meiosis I, ova and sperm. Reduction: division during the daughter cell and haploid number are four daughter cell produced in one meiotic cell division. उसमें डबल था, इसमें 4 है. और कार्योकिनेसिस न्यूक्लियस डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन. साइटोकिनेसिस डिवीजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म इज diploid 2 complete set of chromosome. Diploid found in somatic cell. Haploid single set of chromosome found in gamete. Crossing over exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatid take place during the meiosis cell division. Crossing over homologous chromosome having same size and shape bearing corresponding gene. Allele alternative form of character governed by gene. Phenotype character of organism which can be seen directly. Genotype genetic constituent of organism is called genotype. Tonoplast surrounding the vocal unit membrane. Basic trilaminar structure of cell membrane. Genetic transmission of character from one generation to another. Hereditary process of transfer of hereditary character from जनरेशन टू जनरेशन. जेनेटिक्स डब्ल्यू बैटसन फर्स्ट बार 1905 में. जॉन्स फर्स्ट यूज्ड नेम ऑफ जीन इन 1909. जॉर्ज जॉन मेंडल फर्स्ट गेव द आइडिया ऑफ हेरिडिटरी. फादर ऑफ जेनेटिक्स भी बोलते हैं मेंडल को. मेंडल चूजन पी प्लांट फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट. मेंडल मेड क्रॉस बिटवीन टू प्योर प्लांट हैविंग द कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर. सिंगल ट्रेट मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस. टॉल और ड्वार्फ प्लांट. टॉल ड्वार्फ फर्स्ट जनरेशन में सब टॉल होगा और सेकेंड जनरेशन में सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन 50% टॉल 25% टॉल 50% हाइब्रिड और ड्वार्फ 25%. फिनोटिक 3:1 के रेशियो में जीनोटाइपिक फिनोटाइपिक 3:1 और जीनोटाइपिक 1:1 में. डाई हाइब्रिड मेंडल मेड अ क्रॉस बिटवीन टू प्योर प्लांट हैविंग पेयर कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर. कलर एंड शेप ऑफ सीड डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस. इसमें फिनोटिक और जीनोटाइपिक में ये रेशियो हमसे तो नहीं याद होने वाला. लॉ ऑफ पेयर्ड यूनिट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस डोमिनेंट यूनिट फैक्टर. लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस. लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन. लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट. लिंकेज म्यूटेशन वेरिएशन. ये सब काम का चीज़ नहीं लग रहा. क्रोमोसोमल एब्रिएशन एनी चेंज इन क्रोमोसोमल स्ट्रक्चर में तो उसको वेरिएशन बोलते हैं, एब्रिएशन बोलते हैं. क्लोनिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोड्यूसिंग आइडेंटिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म फ्रॉम सिंगल सेल हैविंग सेम जेनेटिक कैरेक्टर इन एज हिज मदर शीप डॉली. टोटिपोटेंसी potential ability of a plant cell to grow in a complete plant. Pluripotency potential ability to cell develop into any kind of animal. GMO genetically modified organism manipulation of gene by cutting and joining segment of DNA to get desired variety. Autosome autosome cell autosome cell which are responsible for character other than sex is autosome. Sex chromosome pair of chromosome determine the sex. 23 pair chromosome in which bias autosome or one sex chromosome or genome. All gene present in haploid is called genome. Plasma gene which are found in organelle of cytoplasm. Plasma gene. Cistron functional unit of gene. Muton unit of gene responsible for mutation. Recon unit of gene take part in recombination. S. Benzer modern definition of gene which exhibit multiple effect is called pleiotropic. When one gene pair hide the other of the hide of effect of other epistasis. DNA fingerprinting technique used for detection of disputed parentage. Reverse transcription discovered by Temin and Baltimore. Targeted drug delivery and gene therapy made possible to use nanotechnology in health sector. BT brinjal genetically engineered from brinjal to make it pest resistant. In the recent development of science, functional chromosome cannot be created by joining segment of DNA taken from the cell of different species. Genetic predisposition of some people in the season of multi-drug resistance in microbial pathogen. Taking incorrect dose of antibiotic to cure disease is the reason of developing multi-drug resistance. Cas1 protein molecular seizure used in targeted gene editing, which is often mentioned in news. In normal cell process of flow of genetic information from DNA to RNA transcription. सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन इन ह्यूमन सेक्स वाला अब इसमें फीमेल सेक्स क्रोमोसोम XX और मेल XY. Our body is female somatic cell found sometimes sex determination regulated by environmental factor. Women 46 chromosome. नीलफिल्टर सिंड्रोम मेल में होता है एक्स्ट्रा X और Y आ जाता है XXY हो जाता है या XYY हो जाता है. मेंटल रिटार्डनेस 47 बिकम 46 की जगह पे. टर्नर सिंड्रोम फीमेल में होता है सिंगल सेक्स क्रोमोसोम हो जाता है. एक्स एगो एब्सेंट हो जाता है X जीरो हो जाता है. लैक ऑफ सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर रूडिमेंट्री. डाउन syndrome extra chromosome added in X autosomal chromosome lead to develop Down syndrome. Person become Mongolism, retarded eye protrude, irregular physical structure. Patau syndrome addition autosomal chromosome in 13 chromosome. Cut mark in lip and person is mentally retarded. Sickle cell anemia. In this erythrocyte destroyed more rapidly than normal leading to anemia. These occur due to change in 11th autosomal chromosome. Phenylketonuria. It is an inborn error of metabolism which results in mental retardedness due to change in 12th autosomal chromosome. Hemophilia. The gene responsible for this disorder is linked with sex chromosome. Lead to failure of blood clotting. Color blindness. Lead to failure to distinguish red or green color. Gene responsible for this disease is situated on sex chromosome. Organic evolution. Homologous organ, analogous organ, vestigial fossil. Archaeopteryx पूछता है ये. Archaeopteryx fossil looks like bird but bear a number of features found in reptiles. It is connecting link between ape and reptile. Theory of evolution. Carlos Linnaeus, Jean-Baptiste, inheritance of acquired character. Charles Robert Robert Darwin, The Origin of Species, Natural Theory of Natural Selection, Darwinism. Book which contain information about all plant is Red Book Data Book. Recapitulation theory proposed by Ernest Haeckel. Basic unit of biosystematica is species. Correct taxonomic hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, gene, species. KPC of GS. KFC वाला नहीं है, KFC of GS, KPC of GS. मॉडर्न साइंटिफिक थ्योरी भी डार्विन का